the calls. These were nice entries on the 250s that we had. So Tammy, where are your... Here on the video, once again, the 260 put against the 250 call. You can see that we had just made that low and we bounced from 575 up there. So 7.65 intraday high, $2 drop down, nice entry there. It will show up in the SMF trading platform as well. This is the pricing mechanism and control that is within the actual ratios of that there, and where I would be exiting up here, taking my profits very quickly. That way I'm not losing a lot of value over here because I'm making money on these. So, but I'm also making money on these. On how to get in, and I would keep clicking. I'd keep clicking on that. So if I want to, or I'd click over here and drop it to whatever price. And I'd figure out how to use this functionality in your level 2 execution system. 1510 by 1530. I want to get in. I got a 1520. I would hit buy. Bam. I'd be in. And that's a perfect example. It's 20 pennies wide. If I still think that I'm going to hold at support, I put that 1520 in. Right now I hit buy. He throws off. I'm in. But that's what's below the market. And the only way you're going to establish what's below the market at this price level is what the SMF trading platform is telling you in front of you right now as you're making the execution. It's an execution that we made. It ran up. We sold the high of this call. It's on the very same videotape. Here it is right now, 7:12 a.m. It's pulled back, and we're looking at new entries. And if it holds in the SMF direct access trading platform, not what you see here on the screen, but another platform that we own for our traders that are trading for the firm, SMF. 1520 by 1540, 1520 by 1550. I got a bid in here. If I think it's going to hold, I could bid a 1530 if I want to tighten it up. 20 pennies wide. There it is. Moving in at 1540 pennies. There it is. 1540 pennies bought. 17 and 3 is 20 and 9 and 2 is 11. 31 contracts traded at 1540. Right up here, we're going to take a look at Apple Computer and conclude the tape with it's going to be mini-series tape. It's on the opening bell. We're about 45 minutes into the opening bell. Once again, welcome to www.stockmarketfunding.com. Call us today so that you, too, can find all the things that you would like to find out about our company. Is that we have so many things behind the scenes that you're not aware of. It would behoove you to come and take a free 5-day trial and then make your opinion as, wow, is this something better than I've ever seen before? And make your own report card. And the only way you're ever going to be able to do that, honestly to you, is by coming and joining us for that full 5-day free period. And it's very important that you understand and are coherent to that kind of decision making. And if you are, then this is a great place to spend 5 days with watching the SMF Master Pro Trading System working and lots of things that we do. As you can see, we're making money on the 260 put option. Here is the Apple. It made a high of 1035. If Apple holds support down in here, what I'll do is I'll cash this side of the trade in. I would be cashing that this side. But if Apple is falling in price, well, then I don't want to do that. There's the Apple price right here. See it? Right there, 950 by 960. The high was 1035 up there. So we know exactly the SMF wholesale bid on the entry. And if this is going to hold price here, then we're going to take our profits here. All in one transaction. What a glory. And the other thing about it is, too, is that the equity directional movement is going to populate those prices. So when I'm falling over here, I'm going higher over here because I own this side of the market. And I'm losing value over here. But when it stops, I'm going to cash in here and buy more of this value over there. That is all about how to be an SMF options market maker. And a market maker versus a day trader, which they're very good at what they do as well on their capacity roles. However, our system is a little bit more advanced than any system out there as far as directional price movement and making markets. And right now we're selling out at the highs up here, and we're starting to turn around over here, and we're getting price support here because we're not going down. We're not actually going down in the equity price. When the equity price climbs, the call shall climb, and the value here shall go down. And it will be based on in the level 2 of the equity, the bid and ask. So there's a market maker here, and there's a market maker here, and one here. So you're right in the middle of all three of them. And the thing about it is, it's a concept that you can't see anywhere else out there on the internet. That would probably be another reason why you would want to attend your free 5-day trial with SMF Street. And what is SMF Street? Is it was really designed to take Main Street, bypass Wall Street, and get on SMF Street so that you could have a level playing field with people on an intraday level, such as market makers, floor specialists, all kinds of people, all of the ECN electronic communication network tapes that are going off and bid and ask levels that are populating prices. We sold out of the 260 put, and we bought back in here because that meant when we went higher here, that price held from that 1035. So we're up about 15 pennies on that entry, and it's 55 by 65, and you got to have a breakout. So you got to see where these price prints are going to get higher in value, take this up any higher. So that's why we're looking, and the value here is going to come down.